Hey everybody, if you're watching this video, it means you are having trouble and need some support using Google Drive to share our gifted program documents. And so this tutorial will go over how to both create those documents and share them with Karen and I, and how to organize them in your own Google Drive if you need to do that. So the first thing you need to do is look for an email that you should have gotten from me that says Notes from RPLC. Within that email, I've linked to templates for all of the documents that you need to create. I'm going to skip collaboration minutes just for a little bit because you have a couple of choices for how you want to do your collaboration minutes. So let's go to your schedule. So if you click on the blue link for schedules, it's going to take you to our scheduling document. You will have a little message right up here that says view only because I have not shared it with you with editing rights. And what you will need to do is go to File and then Make a Copy. You're going to get this dialog box pop up, and all you have to do is change the title of the document. It helps me a lot as you're naming these documents if you put either your name or the name of your school in the title of the document, because otherwise I end up with 47 documents that just say teacher schedule. So here I would write Penley teacher schedule, and I'm going to click OK. It's going to take just a minute for Google to work and create that document for me. And now what I need to do is go up here to share, because you see when I hover over the share button, I've created a new document and it's private. That means I'm the only one who can see it. So you're going to come up here to the share button. If you come down here and start typing in Penley, you're going to get my wife and my mother, but you want to make sure that you try and get Christopher Penley and add me to your document, and you also want to share Karen Higginbotham. You click share and save. And then you can click done. And that's all you have to do. So at this point, you're ready to start editing this document and typing in your schedule. When you're finished, there is no need to go back and email it to me. There's no need to go back and share it again. I'll be able to see all the changes that you made because you've already shared it with me. All right, so that's your schedule. You can do the same thing with any of the other documents. So your Renzulli implementation plan. Again, you're going to click the blue link. Let's go through it one more time. And there's a blank document here that you have view rights to. Come to File, Make a Copy. I'm going to change this to Test School, and you would write your school's name right in there. Renzulli Learning Implementation Plan. I don't want to share it with the same people, so I'm going to make sure that box is not checked. I'm going to click OK. Google is going to create that document for me. So now I have my own document. But remember, it's private just to me, so I'm going to click the share button. I'm going to make sure that I add Christopher, and I'm going to add Karen. Click share. Now I've been giving myself and Karen edit rights, and the reason I do that is if, at the last minute there's ever something that needs to be changed before we're going to print things for you or anything like that, it's nice that I'm able to go in and do that. If you're uncomfortable with that and you'd rather me have view rights, you're welcome to set it like that as well. Click done, and again, you don't have to email this to me once you're finished. You don't have to share it again once it's finished. All you have to do is fill it out. So that's how you can create one of our gifted program documents using Google Drive and share it with me and Karen. So let's go back to that email. Collaboration minutes. I've linked with this blue link the template that we used last year, and you can do this the exact same way that we've done all those other documents. Just click right here, File, and then Make a Copy. But I know that a lot of people didn't really like using this document last year. A lot of people still preferred creating a folder for their collab minutes and then doing a separate set of collab minutes each week or with each teacher or with each grade level. And if you want to do that, that's also perfectly acceptable. And so the way that you would do that is you would come here to your drive, and you notice my drive is pretty full. And what you're going to do is you're going to hit Create Folder. And I'm going to title my folder Penley Collab Minutes. Hit Create. Now this is where you're going to share it with me and Karen. So you check the box right here, and you're going to come to this menu that says More, and you're going to click Share. And you're going to do this the exact same way that you did all of the other documents. You're going to add Christopher Penley, you're going to add Karen Higginbotham, and you're going to click Share and Save. And what makes this a really easy way to share all of your documentation with us is that now that that folder is shared with us, you can come into this folder. I'm going to go back to show how we did that one more time. So I'm going to click into this folder, create a document, and let's say I'm doing my August, that's not where I want it, August 20th ELA collab, 2nd grade. Click OK. I can type all of my collab minutes right here. I can do whatever I need to do. And the great thing about this is that this document, because it's in that shared folder, is already shared with me. You don't have to do anything else with it. All you have to do is put your collab minutes in it. If as a school you'd like to organize your folders or your collab minutes to have them together in some way, you're welcome to do that. When you share them with me, I will organize them in my Google Drive, but I'm going to let you organize your own things how you feel like you should. So we've gone through how to create your schedule. We've gone through how to create these program documents and share them with Karen and I. We looked at some different options for doing your collaboration minutes. If you have other questions, if you're still having trouble with this and need some support, you can talk to your instructional technology specialist, or you can shoot me an email and we can schedule a time for me to come and create the documents with you.